Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making something really super easy to satisfy that sweet craving when you don't have time to do a full bake. We're gonna make a mug cake. Now, normally you make this in a coffee mug, but today, because I want you to see the awesome goodness that's gonna be in here, I'm gonna use these canning jars, and we're gonna make 2 of them, and I'm gonna call in some assistance from my lovely sous chef children. All right, so I've got BJ here, he's gonna help me. I've got 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in here. On the dish, I have 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. BJ, I want you to hold this jar.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna slowly scrape this down in, and hopefully not make too big of a mess.
Whoa.
Okay, good job.
Now it's my turn.
Now it's your turn. I'm gonna go ahead and combine it up, and then I'll let you do the mix, okay? Go ahead, mix that up, little man. Mix it up. Let me help you. There you go. All right, good mixing. Okay?
You make you mess up my
Now,
head.
one of these we're making a chocolate.
You make you mess up my head.
So this is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, natural and unsweetened. Hopefully I can get that to go in a little better than. There we go. All right, BJ, mix up your chocolate cake, please.
I'll mess up his chocolate cake. No, you're gonna mix up yours.
Okay, let me see.
Okay. Now my turn.
So you're
My
just
turn.
trying to get everything combined.
I'm not doing that one.
Okay.
My turn.
And then this
You're
one
doing yours.
is just going to be a vanilla cake, so there's nothing additional dry-wise to add. So let's start adding our wet ingredients to make this into a cake. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, hang on.
Are you gonna pour milk in
I'm going to pour
mine?
3 tablespoons of milk
And in mine?
in both of them.
That milk. Super good.
Now we have our milk added. I'm going to add, this is canola oil, but you can use whatever kind of vegetable oil you want. Again, 3 tablespoons. So really the only difference is cocoa or vanilla. And technically you could add vanilla to the chocolate cake. BJ, mix up your chocolate cake, please.
And then I make up
You'll
my
mix up your
chocolate cake.
Yeah, the vanilla cake.
Yeah, that is mine. Mom,
Can I see?
I like my cake. You're making vanilla.
So there you go. It's pretty much combined, which is what we want. Mix it up, buddy. Mix it up.
I see it.
To the chocolate one, we got a little surprise. I'm gonna drop in a caramel times 2, and then I'm just going to push those down into the middle so that they're like that. Okay. So this guy, because he's kind of plain, and you know, my son would never tolerate a plain cake. These are just assorted sprinkles.
Add sprinkles in mine.
So we're gonna call this a confetti cake now. Maybe a little bit extra. All right, so there we go. Our cakes are ready to be cooked. So we should bake these, but we're not gonna make them. The cool thing about a mug cake is they go in the microwave 70 seconds, and these will be done. So one at a time. 70 seconds are done, and I'll let you get a peek at that. You can see that it about doubled in size. It's gonna be hot, so we're gonna let it cool for about a minute, but you can see that it's fully baked. We let that one cool, 70 seconds for our chocolate caramel surprise. Another 70 seconds, and again, you can see it about doubled in size. And again, you can see it's definitely baked. We've let these cool. You can see that they're able to be held. This one's still a little bit warm, so we'll start with this one. But you can see how moist it is, and it's definitely baked. So what I'm doing now is just hooking the kids up with a little taste of each. Now let's see how our chocolate cake turned out. Start with a clean spoon. Go right down. Let's see if we can find some of that caramel. And there you can see That nice caramel melted down. The cake still looks nice and moist. Looks delicious. Yeah, Dave, try the first one.
Good. Good.
What do you think?
That's really good.
Put it on the spoon here. Okay. Oh, you definitely got some caramel in that one. How is it? Is it yummy? All right. Well, there you have it from probably the harshest critics on the planet. Mug cake. You can do it with whatever you want. You can even go grab a Duncan Hines mix. All right, you know the drill. Give this a try. Let me know if you make any changes and so on and so forth. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments below. Do me a favor, check back for the next video and take